White walls from Magnatag feature a fast and easy-to-use panel hanging system that requires only a few simple hand tools. Start the installation by determining how high you want your panel and mark the wall. Measure the panel's cleat channel height, then locate and mark the mounting cleat height on your wall. Next, determine the left to right position of the first panel and mark the side edge location on your wall. Measure in 1 inch to finalize the cleat bar location. Level and secure the first mounting cleat bar. Use suitable anchors and screws to fasten the cleat bar to the wall. Uneven walls can cause panel misalignment. Attach the alignment bracket to the bottom of adjacent panels to bring them into alignment. Place the first panel and slide the left edge to final position. Complete the installation by positioning, engaging, and aligning each white wall panel. Install additional interlocking cleat bars using the same method. White walls can be installed using the cleat strips on drywall, masonry, or directly to framing. White walls are available only from Magnatag Visible Systems.